Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared classNames equals f.read \n. TypeError str object is not callable. The error message you're encountering indicates that you're trying to call a string object as a function, which is not allowed in Python. Here's an example of how this error might occur. When you run this type of example code, you will get this error. In this example, f.read reads the contents of the file into a string, and then \n is trying to call the string as a function, which is not valid syntax. To fix this error, you can simply remove the parentheses after f.read. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this updated example, f.read reads the contents of the file into a string, and split \n is called on the string to split it by new line characters, which creates a list of strings representing the lines in the file. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.